take a minute to share a new project that I'm working on. Over the past couple years, my little camper had started to show some wear and tear and needed some love that I just didn't have the time or the energy or really even the money to put into it. So we found a good home for our R-Pod, and now we are going to move to the next phase in camping life for my family, Jackson and I in particular. We have our little Jeep Wrangler. We love going places in that thing and taking it off-road and just finding campgrounds to tent camp in. So we wanted to take that to a new level. So I found this old trailer on Facebook Marketplace. I got it from a local farmer. We're going to repurpose it. We're going to take most of the old wood off of here, keep the steel framing, and build an off-road, all-terrain, overlanding trailer. We're going to have storage in the compartment area here in the trailer, seal it off with a nice lid, have a place to mount our kayaks, and then we have this we're going to unbox later, but it's a Bama Car Nature Nest rooftop tent, and we're going to go meet my buddy John Galloway, and he's going to help us build a frame to go on the trailer to mount the rooftop tent on top. And after that, we'll be able to share some camping adventures with you, hopefully, as well. We're super excited about this and hope that you'll watch along with us as we build this thing. It's the first time I've ever done anything like this, so it should be really funny. And also we'll maybe share a few stories, talk about how good God's been to us and all of the things that He is teaching us through things like this. Also, just laugh a little, have a little fun with it. So hope you enjoy. Have a good night.